Hey everybody, it's your girl Zany Boo. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this coral eyeshadow look, and I'm going to show you a little bit of my foundation routine. Please make sure you like and subscribe. All the products I use today I'm going to list in the description below. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I filled my eyebrows in and I primed my lids already. We're going to be jumping in with this palette today. And to start off today's look, I think I want to go in with this pinky shade right here, and we're just gonna put that all over my crease. Take that shade, just tap it into your crease and blend it like this. Just do the same thing on your other eye. Now taking this orange shade right here with another blending brush, I'm gonna put that into the same area. Now with a smaller crease brush, I'm gonna take this shade right here and put that into my outer V and bring that into my crease. So just tap right here. And circular motions and bring it in. Like this look needs a little deepening up, so let's go in with this brown shade right here. Just put that in your outer V. Gonna bring that in a little bit more. Just taking the brush we used for the previous shade, just gonna blend out the edges of that brown shade. And I think I'm gonna go in again with the brown. Now it's time to cut my crease. Just grab your concealer, put that on a flat brush. And just try to shape out a new crease. Looks a lot bigger than this one. This is a really good trick when it comes to people with hooded eyes. Okay, so I went ahead and cut my other crease. So you're gonna grab that same brown shade and soften up these edges. Grab this shade right here and you're just gonna throw that all over your lid. So we're just gonna use this color right here to highlight. Just put that in your inner corner and under your brow bone. this is a finished eye look. I went ahead and threw on some liner and some lashes. It turned out pretty cute. Okay, I'm gonna just do my face makeup now. I'm gonna jump in with e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Take that. Rub it in a little bit. Just massage that into my face. This helps takes your pores away, like really good. I love this primer. And I already moisturized my face too because I got dry skin, so if I want my foundation to have like a smooth finish, I like to moisturize and then just throw on a little bit of primer. Alright, and for foundation, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. I'm going to just throw that all over my face. This beauty blender, I'm just going to bounce it in. Always want to bounce because I hate when people put their foundation on and they like drag it. You're just dragging the product everywhere. Like bounce. When you put your foundation on, do not forget to put it on your neck, please. You don't want to be out here looking crazy. Like to get my ears a little bit, get my neck, make sure you get the whole face. For concealer, I'm going to use my Kylie Jenner Skin Concealer. And I'm just going to put that underneath my eyes. Bring up my eyes and all this darkness because this quarantine got me not sleeping. I'm gonna set my concealer with the Morphe Bacon Set Setting Powder. This is in the shade, what? Banana Rich. Dip that in here. I'm just gonna put that right underneath where you put that concealer. Personally, I don't let it sit for too long because I do have dry skin, so I just like to set it in a little bit, and while I do that, I'll go in with my Tarte Pro Glow palette, and I'm just gonna bronze my face up a little bit. that'll just dust all of that off. We're gonna go back in with the palette that we used for our eyes today and just use the brown shade. You're gonna smoke out the bottom lash line. And just grab some mascara. After you apply that mascara, just go in with some more setting powder. And you're gonna clean up underneath where you put your contour. Taking Seclusion from the Alamar blush palette, I'm gonna put that on my cheeks. Gotta bring that in with my contour. Highlight today, I'm gonna take the Wonder Beauty blush and highlight palette. Now I'm gonna throw it at the tip of my nose right here. Bring it up a little bit. And on my Cupid's bow. Gonna put this Offra Cosmetic lipstick on. Then just set the rest of your face. I like to take a sponge and just go back in, just to make sure all those powders are pressed into your skin. This is the end of today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.